Let's jump right into installing the new Cinema HD Beta on your Fire Stick. Ready? Let's go.
Starting at your Fire Stick home screen, we gotta tweak a few settings first to allow the install.
Just navigate over to the far right and click directly on that settings gear icon.
Next up, scroll down through those options and select the My Fire TV tile.
From here, click About. This gets the ball rolling on enabling your developer options.
Now quickly click the Fire TV Stick option at least 7 times in a row.
Stop clicking once you see that little pop-up confirming you're already a developer.
Go back one screen. Boom, Developer Options is now visible. Go ahead and click it.
Choose Apps from Unknown Sources and turn it on. This is crucial for third-party installs.
All right, heading back to the home menu, click Find and then hit Search.
Type in Downloader and select the orange app that pops up in the Amazon store list. Hit Download. Just wait for that quick install to finish up and then click Open.
Click OK on any prompts, then click right inside that URL search bar at the top. Type in this exact downloader code, 730116. Got it? Then just click Go. Scroll down to the Movies and TV Shows category and tap right on Cinema HD.
The file's going to process automatically, wait until it's totally done, then hit Install.
Click Done, then hit Delete twice on the next prompts to free up some Fire Stick space.
Since we used unknown sources, secure your connection first. A Hong Kong VPN server works perfectly. For the best performance, you'll definitely want an external video player like Bear, MX, or VLC. Select your link, tap Open With, pick that player you just installed, and you're golden.